Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to use Google Earth on your phone. I'm using Android as of now, but you can use this on your iPhone or iOS devices as well. So you can see here that my Google Earth has been recently downloaded. It is freshly downloaded. So to use Google Earth perfectly, you need to open it first and you need to turn on your GPS for a proper use of it, to use or to maximize the utilization of Google Earth. So you can travel anywhere from the world. You can go into certain places and you can see the satellite pics of those places. The pic is highly resolution, so you can see some really HD images. So if you want to go to your location where you are currently, you click on this button, you click on there and allow access for Google Earth to use your location, and you'll travel right away. So you can see here that this is around the place that I live. You can see the streets from Google Earth, and to watch the 3D view of it, you click on 3D, and now you can see all the places in 3D view. So you can see the resolution of the pics. It is high but not quite high that you can clearly see it, but you can view it and understand where the place can be and how the place is. So you can turn it into 2D again, and you can even change the directions from this button. So to view the street views of the location that you want to view, you click on this, the person, and you click on the blue, tap the blue button to enter street view. So I clicked right there. Now I'll go into street view of that location. The street view is the picture of the place that people have clicked and entered into Google. So this is the picture or the street view. So you can turn around, you see here and there. So this is Apex College of Kathmandu, and there are many features of it, and you can even check out from this three dot or three line icon. You click on there, you can see photos by turning it on. You can even select your map style from different terrains, such as turn on 3D buildings, exploration, clean, which means no borders, labels, places or roads. You can even select from above here. This is the measurement. So from here to here at point, you click one point, and to another point. So this is 302 meters. You can see right here it's written. So this is 302 meters, and if you want to go to the third point again, and you can keep on adding, and you can even change the metric system such as centimeters, meters, kilometers, inches, yards, whichever suits perfectly for you. So this is not the only possibilities. You can do much more. You can click on this and explore what is around the location that you are visiting or from all around the globe. Or you can even click on this and land from anywhere of the world in a matter of seconds. So this is Billbags Cape Florida State Park. So you can click this again and you'll reach another destination from another part of the world. So this is how you use Google Earth. This is not the proper, what do I say, explanation or the use, but this is how you usually use Google Earth. This is all you can do, or there are many possibilities. You can even log in from this button, and you can even navigate from this button. So I believe I've taught you guys how to use Google Earth from some way, in a kind of way, and I believe you guys have learned something today or found this video helpful. And if you did that, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.